Occasionally, your laptop may need to be repaired, or you may need some help with troubleshooting a problem with the device. Never try to take the laptop apart yourself or allow anyone else to take it apart. Remember, for the warranty to remain valid, only certified technicians are allowed to work on the device. If you think your laptop is not working properly and needs attention, visit the Campus Technology Specialist office to speak with her about the issue. Sometimes the problem is simple and the laptop can be repaired and returned to you quickly. For more serious hardware-related warranty repairs, the laptop may need to be mailed in for this repair. If the laptop does need to be sent away for the repair, a loaner device may be issued to you if one is available. Another option is to complete the HMS Support Request Form, which is on our website at www.hendersonisd.net. This special form will allow you to report to the Campus Technology Specialist exactly what is wrong with your computer. To keep your computer in good working order, report all problems to the Campus Technology Specialist.